What is up, everybody? Today we are on the go. We are going snowboarding, and we're gonna test out the hair system. We're gonna test out a lot of different things. I mean, we're gonna be wearing a hat, we're gonna be sweating. We are going to be testing the elements, all of that fun stuff. And the question is it comfortable? Does it hold up? Do you have to worry about your hair system falling off when you take off your hat, when your hair is sweaty, all this kind of stuff, right? So we got everything in the car right here. We got the boots, we got the snowboard, we got the bag full of goodies. We got this hat. I've had this hat since I was maybe 20. I'm 28 now. And we're gonna get to it. But real quick, this video is sponsored by Lord Hair. Make sure you check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment to get an amazing deal on a hair system from Lord Hair using my specific code. So we're gonna head out to the mountain right now. It's gonna be an amazing day. We're gonna have so much fun. And I'm gonna show you some footage of me snowboarding, and we're gonna talk about after the experience of wearing a hair system, if there's anything you gotta watch out for, all that kind of stuff, all right? So let's get to it. All right, guys, we have arrived at the mountain and we are about to get the show on the road. So I'm about to put on my stuff and we're gonna hit the slopes. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm on the chairlift now, getting ready to do some riding and test this thing out. So we're booted up, got our hat on, we got some pressure from the goggles. It's all things that we're gonna test out, see how it does under the conditions. It is cold as heck out right now. My hands are freezing because I have them bare, so that way I can actually talk with you and I can press record and all that fun stuff. But after this, we're gonna put them in some gloves and get going. I'm gonna show you a run or two, some first-person perspective. It's gotta be a GoPro. If anyone wants to buy me a GoPro, that'd be awesome. But I'm gonna do a run or two and then we're gonna talk about it after, all right? Let's do it. Oh yeah, man. Oh man. Woo. All right, so let's take a look at what the hair looks like and all that kind of stuff. All right, here we go. So this thing is kind of tight, kind of sucks to your head. All right, so this is what the hair looks like right now. A little disheveled, but we'll bring it in a little bit closer. As you can see, guys, not really any problem whatsoever. I mean, the hair is messy, right? But like, see, I'm pulling up on the hairline. We ain't got no issues whatsoever. So all in all, successful. Now, this is something that I knew going in because I mean, I've been snowboarding all winter now and I've been experiencing this with a hair system. But you probably didn't know it, and you know, you may not have thought it was possible. You may have been concerned about wearing hats, all that kind of stuff. So let's talk about that. Like, I'm a little bit sweaty. My hair is a little bit sweaty here on the sides. The top, not sweaty though. Once again, this is a poly, right? So sweat does not go through the actual system into the hair, which is actually, now that I think about it, a nice thing, because you don't actually have to wash your hair as much, and that's gives you more hair system life. Keeps the hair system nicer. It keeps it more vibrant and moisturized, and because like washing and shampooing, it can really deteriorate your hair system. So that's good. Now, what about the effect of wearing a hat on a hair system? Does it kill your hair system? Does it take life from your hair system? So here's my thing. I think that doesn't really have an effect on your hair system life. if you are taking care of your hair system in other ways. So this one, I've been pretty particular about the way that I'm taking care of it. Like, I've just been getting better and better and better at taking care of my hair systems, and I've come to discover how to really make them stay moisturized longer. I got kind of a special product that I'm working on that I think I want to offer to you guys. It's been working for my hair system and keeping it vibrant, and keeping, like, you know, look at the sheen right here, right? Like, do you see this? This looks fantastic. So I'm using that product, but I'm also being very particular about how I maintain it. Part of the moisture that I'm putting back into the system with this product is actually making sure that there's less knots in my hair system. When your hair system gets dry, you get a lot of knots in it. It's very easy to knot up. This is just something that I've discovered over the past couple hair systems, that when they do get drier, man, you've either really got to be careful about not getting knots and take care of it every single day, or it's just gonna get like mangy and gnarly, especially in the back of your hair system where you like sleep on and where you roll around on in the middle of the night. That's so easy for it to get tangled up. You know, use a silk pillowcase for sure, but it's still possible that it's gonna happen. So all in all, guys, snowboarding, super fun. You can do it with a hair system. I've been doing it all winter, as you know, you probably have seen me talking about, and there's no issues whatsoever. You know, probably the scariest moment, if you guys are a snowboarder or, you know, you're watching this, is thinking like, oh my God, after a full day of riding and, you know, feeling sweaty, you know, is the bond loose? Like, is it going to come flying off when I take my hat off, or I take, you know, the balaclava, which is really like tight to my face? And the answer is no, it doesn't actually, and it's very stable. I'm going on about 10 days with this bond application, and it is holding so strong. No issue whatsoever with it being a little bit sweaty and, you know, the bond getting a little bit looser. No issue whatsoever. Anyways, guys, thank you so much to Lord Hair for sponsoring this video. Make sure you go check out their website down in the link below to make sure you get a great deal on a new hair system. Use my discount code below. Go to my specific page that Lord Hair has created. And once again, guys, if you like this content, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know that this is valuable to you, that you find it valuable, that it's destigmatizing hair loss, that it's making you feel like anything is possible, that you feel like you're becoming a better man. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head out now, and we will talk soon.